In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select an app to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then click on the icon of it and select floating window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold those three dots and drag it as well. To use more options of floating window, click on the same three dots and operate all of those. To close it, swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!